After that, I came to PMDT Trivandrum, and here I selected customer care executive as my role, and my trainer is Mr. Yopriya. Mr. Yopriya taught us various aspects that came under customer care executive. She taught us how to prepare ourselves for an interview, how to present a self-introduction, and various topics that came under customer care executive. As a result of this, I am able to get a job as a soft skill trainer in Jobs Academy Trivandrum. Now my salary is 12,500 per month. I really thank my trainer Sophia Miss and this institution for giving me or for helping me to mold a wonderful career. Thank you so much.